Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Irish seafood chowder. First, gather your fresh seafood, including about 1 pound of firm white fish like cod, half a pound of salmon, and half a pound of shrimp. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables, 1 medium onion, 2 celery stalks, and 2 carrots, all finely diced. Finally, ensure you have 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream for a rich base. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions, celery, and carrots, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender. Pour in 4 cups of seafood broth and add 2 medium potatoes, peeled and diced into half-inch pieces. Bring to a simmer and cook for 10 minutes. Then, add your seafood and gently poach for 3 to 5 minutes until just cooked through. Now, reduce the heat to low and carefully stir in 2 cups of whole milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. Heat the chowder gently, ensuring it does not boil, which can cause the dairy to curdle. Season generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed for your perfect flavor profile. Your delicious Irish seafood chowder is now ready to enjoy. Ladle the warm, comforting chowder into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dash of paprika. Serve it immediately with some warm, crusty bread, perfect for soaking up every last drop of that rich, creamy broth. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.